previous post, I promised you that I was going to show you how to create an aesthetically pleasing Instagram feed using grid posts, and here am I delivering. Please follow me if you're watching this on TikTok, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's get right into it. First, you must have your photos ready and you come into the app. So we'll click on create grids. We're creating a photo grid, so you click on photo grids. I've put all the pictures that I need for this particular tutorial in an album, so I'll just pick the grid tutorial album and pick the image. So I have a particular theme that I'm working with. When I create the grid and I also start uploading on Instagram, you would understand the essence of why I did it this way. So first off, the grid that I want to create is with this logo SK. For the purpose of this video, I had to create this using Canva. If you want that tutorial, you can drop in the comment section and I'll be open to create a tutorial on how to use Canva to create basic designs like this. So what we want to do is 3x1, that is 3 rows in one. This is what we are looking for. This is what we're looking for, but these 3 rows in one is making this my picture not show fully, so we might do 3x2. Let's see how this right. What this means is on your Instagram feed, you know Instagram is 3 rows. So on your Instagram feed, it will mean that this SK Sisikemi logo would cover 2 part of the feed, although I was going for 1 row, but now it's looking like it to cover 2 rows. But let's work with that. In what I would have done is I would have made this logo smaller so that it will fit in 3x1, because that was what I'm planning for. That was what I was planning for rather. But if I don't want it that way and I say, oh, let me just use it like this for the purpose of the tutorial, it could work this way. All I'll just need to do is click. Once I click on next, it takes me to this page. It will say the app is so good to the point that it will tell you if you tap on this image, you can post it directly to Instagram. But no, I don't want to do that. I want to save the grid in my gallery rather, and I will post it manually myself. So all I'll just click on is save as grid, and all photos have been saved. We'll still come back to it. I want to do more pictures that I have, and I do repeat the same process. Create grid, I click on photo grids, go to the album that I created for this tutorial, and I pick clients. Everything would make sense very soon. And I click 3x row. This means that I want the pictures to appear in just 1 row. And like the previous one, it will also suggest, do I want to post it on Instagram directly? No, I'll just click on save as grid and all photos are saved. I'll still repeat this same process. Let's do it together one last time before I take it offline and do it. Go to my album, grid tutorial. I created this one using Canva. All I just needed to do was get this teacup image on Pinterest, and I just added the words. And now I click on next. I'll click on save as grid, and it saves in my photo album. So what I will do is I will offline, I'll go back and do the last one. Same thing, photo grids and grid tutorial. This is you can use anything, does not have to be a logo or something. This is the last image that second to the last image I'm about to use. You can literally use anything. Now that we're done with grid posts, let's make the magic happen. So we come to Instagram and click on create posts, click on posts, then go to that album where you have everything, and let's start adding. Let's start creating the magic. What we are trying to do here is the first post that was shown to us on the grid posts, on the grid post app, we're making it our last post. Don't worry, it will make sense. Just work with me. Work with me. Let's go. Why I particularly like this style of posting, and people that can use this, if you're in a product business, let's say you're an event planner, like this should be a good way to showcase your product. Even photographers, can you see it all makes sense now? It will make sense. Don't worry. But you see how we broke that post. Grid post just literally breaks your post. It breaks your posts and you can make it whole when you upload it. Do you get? So Now we want to upload pictures, so everything would everything would make sense. So for the pictures, we're doing all blacks first. Post this, next, share. And whenever you're posting on Instagram, you have to post everything at once so that anybody that looks at your feed, aerial view, would understand what you've just done. Aerial view meaning that they click on your homepage and they look at your feed so that it makes sense. Let them not be seeing K one side, you one side, and everything is just scattered. Do you understand? So trying to make this look cute, share, and it's coming together. That one is about to now. Can you see what I'm saying? SK the pictures, and I'll keep doing that. So let me do one more so that you can see again. Let's do one more, then I'll do the rest offline. Now if I want to showcase a client, this is what I would do. It's very easy to do. Once you get a hang of it, you are good to go. And I like this because you would always get, oh, I like your feed looks nice. It just shows that you are intentional about the outlook of your feed. Trust me, an aesthetically looking feed is not dead. Forget what people say. Like, even though you're trying to showcase your product, don't try to do it in a scattered way. I'm not saying you must always use grid post, but I'm just saying that make it look nice, right? So I'm trying to showcase a client, and I will just use this. I might just speed this up so that you don't get bored, but I really hope that you understand what I'm trying to achieve with this. And if you have any questions, please, you can always ask. Once I post this last pictures, I'll do the remaining part of this post offline so you can see the end product. But please follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will keep on giving you tutorial like this. I'm a social media manager and community manager, and I've been doing this for quite some time. In short, I can't been using grid post maybe since like 2018, right? 2018 or 2019, one of them. I don't even know. I think I stumbled on it from App Store. You know, sometimes when you go to the App Store, they suggest apps to you. So it's just one of those apps that just like, oh, let me try what they are doing here. What are they doing here? Let me see what they are doing. And that was it. So let me quickly finish it up and I'll come back once I'm done. So this is what your feed would look like. The SK that we created with grid. Assuming if you watch from the beginning, you know the SK, we wanted it to occupy 2 rows before. So where this my black picture is, the SK would have started from there and it would have shown the CC came in full, but we decided to pick just 1 row. So this is what your feed would look like. So anybody that comes to your page, this is what they will see. For this client's write-up that I created on using Canva, this is how it's going to look like. Then the clients, then flowers that I got from Pinterest, and I just converted it using grid posts to break it like this into 3 different posts. Then my pictures, then this boss, I got a picture from Pinterest and I added the words on Canva, then my pictures. So the next post can be a grid post and it can just keep on going that way. Now your page looks organized. So it can be a write-up, it can be morning vlog, right? And you do a grid post with that write-up morning vlog, and the next 3 rows will be your morning vlog, and it just goes on and on and on. Who would not like this beautiful looking feed? You're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Biko, and don't forget to follow me for more. Bye.